So when people get off their lazy ass, stand up.
There we go again, right there.
Nice.
I can't see that cam. Stand up.
Oh no, I couldn't see a thing. I was sitting down.
Everyone's sitting down. Are you gonna get down? I can't even see. Oh, let's do it then. Sorry. Then stand up! Shit! I can't see anything. Oh, look at that. We're sitting down and we can't see. They're not pretty, right? That was nice.
You know, I can't even zoom in because then I'll miss pictures of it.
Yeah.
I fucking hate old people that have nothing better to do. Oh, I know, that deserves a fuck. And Alex told them too, and that's awesome.
Alex represented.
Alex represented? Oh, nice. That's what I like, a screamer.
Yeah.
You know, this is already like 3 times what Canada Day would be.
Yeah, no one's gonna come to fireworks for years now. For the next 100 years.
Oh, look at those. Oh, I didn't see to the door. Someone's coming back. Hey, don't keep me on that. That's beautiful. Let me take the tripod. Okay.
That's pretty you see it?
Yeah. Yeah, I got my head in my way, nothing. I'm good.
Oh, really? Oh, good. Then I should be where you are.
Yeah, but I'm sitting down. I can't see.
Yeah, sitting down sucks. No, I don't have a stabling device. Grab my ass. Yeah, they stood back up. I think it's funny that Prince gave the most laugh. Your legs hurt. Sorry, guys, but look up.
Your legs hurt, stand up.
Oh, that's so nice.
That was nice.
Those are my favorite. When they're purple at the end,
That's beautiful.
it's the best.
And you know, I can't even, it said like farther soon. Wow.
Sorry, but my legs freaking hurt.
Go ahead, stand up. I would. You guys not going to do nothing.
Wow. Oh, look right above us. Woo! That is so awesome.
I'm leaving the tripod back for that one.
And over there.
Okay, fuck this. I'm standing up.
I don't like those.
That's cool.
My legs hurt.
Hard to get all this. Whoa! Ladies and gentlemen, Willow Island is on
Oh,
fire.
we got the bottom again.
Excellent.
The bottom? Yeah, at the bottom. Yeah, I know. So do mine. Burning, burning.
Stand up. Who cares? Who gives a shit? Like these people on the fucking lake.
I'm trying to hold. I'm good.
Oh, nice.
Those are mine. Nice.
The loud ones.
I like the loud ones. Yeah, we've heard that already. I think this is close to the end here.
No, not yet. Oh, I can see Willow Island lighting up in the background.
Here, stand there for a minute.
Yeah, I can't do that anymore.
Oh,
like
I know. I just hyperextended my gosh, darn me. Ow.
It's hard to catch this all. Focus, you bitch. Focus.
Here, lean up here.
Come on.
Yeah, here, sorry, buddy. Look at my feet.
No. That's perfect.
Regina Centennial Fireworks 100 brought to you by the Sit Down and Shut the Fuck Up people.
Bye.
Oh, nice.
The end of it. I'm going up. Need some more colors in there.
Wow.
I'm leaning and switching.
No.
Up high. Yeah, high. Oh, look at those.
Yeah, I'm going.
Those are so cool. High.
Trying. How am I doing? It's hard to get them all.
Good.
Yeah,
Oh, those are so cool.
Oh, nice.
Well, green ones, it's like spread off every which way.
Yeah.
It's so cool. High.
Look at that mother.
Oh, here we go. Low again.
Yeah, oh.
That's just a misfire.
No, that's not a misfire.
Damn it, I can't focus. Focus, focus, focus.
Oh, my foot's asleep and it's starting to wake up.
Mine were.
Ladies and gentlemen, Willow Island is on fire.
they're cramping.
Brought to you by Project Jones. We endured the funk of the lake. And the sit down and shut the fuck up people. Alex representing. He told us sit down and shut the fuck up people. Shut the fuck up. And the cops plus the firework guys on Willow Avenue.
How else would you be able to Oh. Tony, are you good? It's so cool.
This is intermission. We need to reload.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, well, I'm going to stand while you're reloading.
Hey, you can hear them. Sit down. Thank you.
Oh, just shut up for a minute. Now?
Yeah, I wonder if they can see that. Yeah.
Can you see that? High.
Good.
Doing good?
I can't feel my knees.
Yeah, I can't feel body parts either. Yeah, get higher. A little bit higher. Really high. Right above us. Right above us, yeah.
Nice.
Lower. There's the higher. Really high. It's going to be right above us.
Where did it go?
I don't know.
I was following it, but nothing happened. I don't. Everybody polka! Hey. The female orgasm. Set it on the, where's the asshole people?